The cord storage wraps up easily in the base of the toaster. Rubber feet base carry your counter a lot, makes it easy to situate the toaster right where you want it. The 4-slice toaster is compact and delicate, does not take up space, and is a touch of decoration in your kitchen with silver. Double-sided baking, exquisite and uniform. Let the bread return to the taste just after baking. Easy to clean with bread crumb tray. Do not add mess to your kitchen. Warm reminder. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Toaster 4-slice wide slot. Put in 4 slices of your favorite bread and start a fresh day here. Toaster 4 extra wide slot is 1.5 inches width, convenient for bagel toaster, every kind of breakfast bread. For bagels, waffles, English muffins, and other bread. Number 2. 3 basic functions. A perfect toaster 4-slice should have these 3 basic functions: defrost, bagel, cancel. The bread in the refrigerator needs to be defrosted and toast. Ladies who have bagels can use this bagel function. When you don't need to toast, you can press the toaster 4 wide slot cancel button. Number 3. 7-shade setting. Although most toasters 4 slices have 7 shades of temperature adjustment, we recommend that you use 3 or 4 shades, of course. If your taste is a bit heavier, you can try toasters 5 to 7 steps. Enjoy your great breakfast with 4 slices of toaster, best rated prime. Number 4. Easy to operate and clean. Take out the bread, put it in the 4 slices toaster large slot, pull down the lift bar. Rotate the temperature. Wait a few minutes to enjoy the scented morning. You will love the 4-slice toaster with bagel setting. Number 5. Toaster use tips. Better choose low sugar bread, otherwise, the toaster 4 wide slot will be easy to burn. When toasters is working, it is better to have someone watch beside them. Be careful when removing bread, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.